In this video, we are going to search and find out how we can do data analytics using descriptive statistics. So in this given data sheet, we will have to find out the data analytics of the descriptive analytics from sales amount, the stock level, and the delivery time amount. So basically, we are finding out the descriptive statistics, that is basically mean, median, mode, and standard deviation through data analysis given here, and then the descriptive statistics. So basically what we're finding out is just by clicking at the top of each and every column which is required. So first let's take sales. We go to data analysis, we click descriptive statistics, and then we enter OK. So they'll ask us whatever is input required. We just provide all the data, and after providing the data, we get the solution. We are getting the solution in here, sheet 3. So here we find out the data solution in mean. So basically the mean, standard deviation, mean, mode, median, mode, curvature, skewness, everything whatever is required has been given. So basically for stock level and even for the delivery time hours, that is what has been used. Next, we are finding out the sales distribution analysis. So basically sales distribution analysis talks about the sale trends through various product categories. So basically why we are finding it out is to find out the best selling and low selling items. So for that, first here we have actually found it out. So here this is all the items that have been bought and then the sum of sales amount. So basically through the various sum of the sales amount, we get to know which product has been sold more and then less. In this graph, we get to know which product has been sold more and less. Next, we are finding out the stock level analysis. Basically, we are assessing the stock level of each product across various locations and the various product categories. So basically this is a count of the product category which is given, and then the stock level, and then the countries where it is provided. In this graph we can see how the goods have been allocated, and then how we are finding out the stock level and the product category. Next is the seasonal demand trend. Basically we are finding out the sales from different seasons during different time. So basically in this pie chart we get to know how the seasons play an impact role on the sales in Walmart. Next is the weather impact on sales. Basically we are finding out the weather impact on sales through the given below data. So just clicking on one data set through slicer, we are finding it out, and then when we just click it, we get to know the data given. Next is the supplier's performance. So through the countries provided and then the data which is given in the sheet 1, we get to know the supplier's reliability score. So basically we are finding out who are the reliable consumers which we can believe, so that they can produce the the products on time. So as the same, we are just clicking each and every slicer so that we get to know which product and which the supplier is reliable to us. Next is on the event-based sales analysis. So basically finding out the sales volume during the normal and the peak time. So through the sales amount we get to know during which particular period of time more goods have been sold on. And then next is the spoilage rate trend. So basically we are assessing the spoilage rate for various products during the various period of time given here. So in the graph itself has explained it more detailedly. Next is the customers buying patterns. Basically trying to find out which product is been sold in which different locations, which is given over here. We'll continue seeing how we can find out the various delivery time performance, they're just been taken in the location. So basically taking all the countries and then the sum of various delivery time which is taken in a particular country, and this is the total given. So in this chart we get to know how much time has been taken by a country to produce the various local goods. And the last, we are finding out the store location performance, basically comparing the sales performance across various locations to find out which is having higher performing and underperforming regions. So basically when you are just clicking a particular location, we get to know in detail how much goods are being produced. So that's it from this video. That's what we learned from this video. Thank you.